Every year as December arrives, we unpack boxes of decoration, some sparkling, some nostalgic, and some broken. But what I told you that one forgotten an item in your winter wardrobe could become the centerpiece of your Christmas decor. Today I'm going to show you how an old wool scarf, the one you have not worn in years, can be beautifully transformed into a warm, cozy Christmas wreath. And along the way, I will share a little story about why this old scarf means so much. I found this wool scarf while cleaning a top shelf in my closet. It was faded, frayed at the edges, and honestly a little embarrassing. But it was not just any scarf, it's used to belong to my grandmother. Every winter she wrapped it around maybe before I went outside, even when I insisted I was too old for her fussing. After she passed, the scarf stayed with me, but it's never left the clothes again until now. Instead of letting it collect dust, I wanted to bring it back to life, give it a new purpose, something warm and meaningful for Christmas. Here what I used for this simple upcycling project. The old wool scarf, a wire wreath frame, or even a cardboard ring, hot glue, a pair of scissors, some ribbon, pine cones, berries, or only little ornaments you have, and of course a little creativity. The project is easy, budget friendly, and perfect for anyone who loves recycling old items into something festive. I started by spreading the scarf out on the table. The fabric was soft but worn out, and that was fine. It actually gave the wreath more character. I cut the scarf into long strips. Don't worry if they are not perfect, the texture hides any uneven edges. As I cut each strip, I imagined my grandmother's hands knitting this scarf stitch by stitch. I took the first scarf strip and began wrapping it around the frame, round and round, slowly covering the entire ring. The wool gave it a warm, fuzzy look, like a cozy winter hug hanging on your wall. When I reached the end of strip, I tucked it and glued it lightly. Then I added the next strip and kept wrapping until the whole frame was soft and fluffy. Now the fun part, decorating. I glue a few pine cones I had saved from last year. Add some red berries for a pop of the color. Tie the ribbon into a big bow and fix it at the bottom. You can keep your wreath simple or go all out. There is no wrong way to decorate your creativity. As I attached the final bow, I realized something. This was not just a craft project, it was very reconnect with our memory. To turn something old and forgotten into something that brings joy. Every time I look at this wreath, I feel like a piece of my grandmother is celebrating Christmas with me.